Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for fire sign Aries. This is July last week reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Aries, your person current feelings towards this connection. And your feelings towards this connection. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Queen of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, Ace of Cups. And your feelings towards them. 10 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, Page of Cups, 9 of Swords. Your person loves you, there is no doubt. But I think your person have options in their life, because 7 of Cups is here and 9 of Pentacles. I think they are independent. They are not dependent on you, whether you are emotionally available or not, because they are stand by their power. Queen of Wands. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Or you could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I think your person is loves you. If even you are there or not, it's not a deal for them, because they are independent. And they love themselves more than anybody else, I'm getting. And you want stability in this connection, and you want equal given this connection. You want to apologize to this person, or you want to offer something to this person. I think at some point you're feeling very stuck. So I think one person is investing more than another person in this connection. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. 4 of Cups and Wheel of Fortune. Yes, I think it is you missed opportunity with this person past, but you don't want to miss this opportunity again. Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely things are turning in your favor. I think the things in this relationship is going to be changed. You want equal give and take in this connection. Definitely it will come, because Wheel of Fortune is here. I think in near future there will be equal give and take in this connection. So let's see some more about this connection. Trust, as Knight of Cups. It is coming, but you have to trust the process. And the 2 of Swords. Definitely your person is at some crossroads, because they have options. I already told you they have an outcome. Flowering, Queen of Pentacles. And one more card for the outcome, compromise. Yes, 6 of Pentacles. Definitely in near future there will be equal give and take. There is no doubt, because 2 times 6 of Pentacles is here. Definitely you have to trust the process. Definitely commitment is coming. You want this commitment. Definitely your person will give you this commitment to you, and there will be equal give and take in this connection in near future. But you have to wait patiently, because your person stand by their power. They are very independent. They have to feel your worth, and they have to know your worth. Then they will come and offer, and they will compromise to you, and they will offer equal give and take to you. Definitely there is equal give and take, and long-term commitment is coming. Definitely, because Knight of Cups is here. Ace of Cups. Definitely your person loves you, there is no doubt, but they are not expressive type. They are like stubborn. They will have to express their feelings. In near future they will express their feelings. They will come towards you. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.